In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new group class appointment type. By the end, you'll have a polished class offering that's ready for your clients to book. Start on your dashboard and look to the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Appointment Types and click it. This is the hub where all your services live, and it's the place to create, manage, or update what clients can book. Next, choose the option to add a new type of group class. Selecting a group class tells the system this session can host multiple attendees at once, which is perfect for classes, workshops, or any session meant for more than one person. Give your class a clear, recognizable name. Think about how your clients will search for it and choose something that communicates exactly what they're getting, like morning yoga or intro to coding. Avoid internal shorthand that only your team understands, and keep it concise so it looks clean on your booking page. Set the duration to match the actual time you'll spend with participants. Consider the flow of your class and pick a length that covers teaching time and any quick wrap-up you typically include. A consistent duration helps clients plan and prevents scheduling conflicts. At a price so clients know the cost up front. Make sure it reflects the value of the session and aligns with your overall pricing strategy. Your account's currency settings will apply automatically, so just enter the amount you want to charge. You can also include a picture. A high-quality image makes your class stand out and helps clients instantly understand what the session is about. Choose something on-brand, clear, and inviting, and avoid busy visuals that can look cluttered on smaller screens. Decide whether this class should be public or private. Public means it appears on your booking page for anyone to see. Private keeps it hidden from general view and is useful for invite-only sessions, internal trainings, or special groups. Pick the visibility that matches your intended audience. Set the maximum number of people you want in the class. This capacity controls how many seats can be booked and prevents overfilling. Choose a number that supports a great experience while meeting your goals. Once everything looks good, click Create Appointment Type to save it. That's it. Your new group class appointment type is now ready. If you ever need to tweak the name, duration, price, image, visibility, or capacity, you can come back to the same area and make updates anytime.